everyone, this week I'm going to show you how I turned these free nightstand tables from Facebook Marketplace and flipped them and sold them for $120. I first started by sanding them down to get that top coat off. I was originally planning on staining them, but the veneer wasn't taking it very well, so I ended up painting them all black. The handles also wouldn't come off, there weren't any screws on the back, so I'm guessing maybe they were glued, so I just painted right over those as well. After the first sanding that I did, I wanted to fill in all the holes and scratches and bumps, and a corner was missing a little bit, so I just filled that in and let it dry and then sanded it off when it was dry. After I filled all the holes and sanded it down again, it was time for paint. I first dusted it off with a rag to get all the sawdust off, and then I put my first coat on. I didn't use a primer since it was just such a dark black, and it only took 2 coats of the black paint. After letting the first coat dry, then I went back after an hour or two to put on the second coat. Once everything was dry, I then took away the drop cloth that I put down and I staged a few items from around my house to make them more appealing in the photos. And yeah, I just took some photos with the staging and then uploaded it to Facebook Marketplace as well as OfferUp. And I think I priced them a little too low. I got a lot of responses really fast, so I think I could have gotten away with a little bit more, but that's okay. And someone is currently on their way to pick it up as we speak, so I call that a win. Thanks for watching.